In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a customer in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Customers. This will take you to the area where you can view and manage your customer records. In the Customers section, go to the upper right corner of the page and click on Add Customer. This opens the form where you can enter the details for a new customer. You will first need to choose the type of customer. Stripe gives you several options, including individual, company, nonprofit, and government entity. Select the option that best matches the customer you are adding. Next, enter the customer's first name and last name if those fields apply to the type of customer you selected. After that, enter the display name. The display name is the name that will help you identify the customer clearly in your Stripe account, so make sure it is accurate and easy to recognize. Then enter the customer's email address in the email field. This helps associate the customer with the correct contact information in your records. After that, expand the billing information section. In this area, enter any required billing details for the customer. Depending on your setup, this may include additional information needed for invoicing or payment-related records. Fill in each field carefully to make sure the customer profile is complete. Once all the information has been entered, take a moment to review everything on the form. Check the customer type, name, display name, email address, and billing information to make sure it is all correct. Reviewing the details before saving can help prevent mistakes and make future account management easier. When you are satisfied that the information is accurate, click Create. Stripe will then generate the new customer record and save it to your account. After the customer has been created, return to the customers list and verify that the new customer appears there. This confirms that the record was added successfully and is now available for future billing, payments, or account management tasks. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to keep your customer information organized directly inside your Stripe dashboard. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.